Vanessa from the Gaia Project. This helpful video is meant to show you how to import your data into Microsoft Excel from devices like your Xplorer GLX data logger and WhatsApp Pro data logger.
Let's now take a look at how we actually go through the process of importing data. I'm going to begin by opening Microsoft Excel through the Start menu. Once the program's open, I go underneath the File tab and select Open. Now I saved my file as a text file, therefore I need to choose all files in the type of files to display on my screen, otherwise I won't be able to find it. I now browse until I find the file in which I saved all my data, which in my case is called Fridge June 27th. I now open that file. The text import wizard is going to appear. As I go through this process, it's going to give me various options as to how to format the data that I collected as I import it into Microsoft Excel. Now the first two options that I have are to define how exactly the data that I collected was delimited in the text file. In my case, there are periods in between each of the columns, so I select the delimited option. If instead the columns were organized with spaces in between them, then I would select Fixed Width. Click on the Next button, and now I get a preview of what my data is going to look like after I import it. Looks fine to me, so let's click on Next again. And here I would get to select each column individually and format it if I wanted to. However, again, the data looks like it imported properly, so I'm going to click on Finish. And you now see the data as imported into Microsoft Excel. As you can see, there are multiple columns that just have zeros in them. These represent the columns for which I decided not to collect the data with the WhatsApp Pro meter. So, for example, maximum watts wasn't something that I was interested in, so the column got automatically filled with zeros. And that's how you import data.
Now that you have your data in Microsoft Excel, you probably want to make some meaning out of it. For some tips on formatting data, plotting your data into charts, tables, and graphs, and doing things like labeling axes, you can look for our channel on YouTube by typing in the Gaia Project Canada, and then looking for our Microsoft Excel or MS Excel playlist. Don't forget to get in contact with us if you have any questions.